Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to back up your Android phone to a PC in just a few simple steps. No cloud required. First, connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. On your phone, when you see the charging via USB notification, tap it and select File Transfer or MTP mode. This lets you access your phone's storage from the computer. Next, on your PC, open File Explorer if you're on Windows or Finder if you're using Mac, and locate your device under this PC or devices. Navigate to folders like DCIM for photos, pictures, music, documents, or any app data folders you want to save. Then copy and paste or drag those files into a folder on your PC. If you need a more complete backup, you can use third-party software like Dr. Phone or Acronis True Image. These tools let you back up apps, app data, contacts, messages, more than just media files. Finally, once you're done, safely eject your phone from the PC and double-check that your files are there. To make future backups easier, you can use apps like Sync My Droid or AutoSync to automatically sync specific folders to your PC over Wi-Fi whenever both devices are on the same network. And that's how to back up your Android phone to your PC. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.